Joy, say hi. Kaya gusto mo muna, anak. Oh, ingat ha. Anak, doon tayo sa mataas na slide na, please.
Oh, Spider-Man!
Gusto mo dyan?
Opo.
Wag na Spider-Man, sa bahay na yan. Wee! Ah, sige, sundan mo si Spider-Man. Ingat, ingat. Sabi mo, ingat. Iyong. Eh, pang baby yan, anak eh. Oo, sabi, ingat. Gusto mo dun sa swing? Diyan lang sa slide? Ano yan, Joey? Ano yan?
Fireman!
Hindi, ano to? Elephant yan, di ba? Hindi, Iron Man.
Fireman!
Joy, gusto mo books? Punta natin sa library. Joy, ano yan? Halika, bilis! Ano yan? Aso? Saan yung elephant? Turo elephant. Saan yung elephant? Bilis na yun! Sanay?
How about game? Okay. How about, here we go, 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 go. How about animals? Oh, how about animals game? Okay. How about Oh, okay. How about woof, woof. How about meow, meow. We'll build a house.
Hold of faith.
Okay. How about
Alik. Jomar, halika, kanta tayo, Jomar, bilis. Tatay and tatay, nanay, ay tatay and Jomar. O sige, upo muna, kanta tayo. Okay, kanta na. Let's build a house, hold up, and together we can. That's good. O sige, sit down muna, sit down. Sit down, halika. Kanta tayo, kanta. O, upo. Kunin kita ng video po, para kanta. Okay.
Yeah, but everybody was like, oh.
That's my son John for the week. And today's March 24th, Thursday. I'm working in New York City. Say hi, John. Say nabuhay, John. Okay, we just came here. We're like playing away. I'm really exhausted. Anyhow, that's gonna make him happy. So we're here in the park. And he has a lot of energy. Watch out, yung tubig. Diyan, sabi mo mabuhay. Sige. Okay, say goodbye, Diyan. Halika, tingin dito. Goodbye po. Hey, wait a minute. Where's Nanay? Huh? Where's Nanay? Come on, let's look for Nanay. Do you know where she is? Ayun! Anong ginagawa, Nanay? Say hello to Nanay. Say hi, Nanay.
Okay.
Alright, come on, Joey. Say bye. Halika na, anak. Halika na. Bye-bye po. That's my Jomar. Say hi, Jomar.
Jomar, come on. Dito, Superman. O, ganito.
Dun na nanay, Superman. Go. Alright, say goodbye.